Good morning, everybody. It is 7:46. I've been up since like 6:30. I've been having really bad back problems lately. I don't know what the heck it is. I try to like sleep on certain pillows. I've been changing my pillows. I've been trying to change away. I've been sleeping and it's just non-stop sharp pains on my upper back. So I told Graham I really need to see a chiropractor or something. It's like I can't constantly keep taking Tylenol, which I haven't taken it in a couple of days. I haven't even taken it. I don't remember the last time I took it because I'm a person who can really handle pain really well, but it's just driving me nuts. But so last night, as I posted another Facebook post letting people know that I reduced prices. I had 2 people message me last night. 2. Now they are repeat customers, okay? Now, one person, she bought all of my whole blends. She took the whole entire box. And every single time I have a garage sale, she takes all of my whole blends. This other girl, last time, she saw a post that I made months prior. And she's like, oh, is this still available? And I'm like, this is a garage sale that I had months ago. And so she's like, she wants my L'Oreal Vibe. And I said, yeah, that's fine. So I showed her what I had. And like she kept saying, I'll come over, and she didn't. And then she'd come over, and then I was supposed to meet her someplace. Like I actually brought the boxes with me. I was supposed to meet her at Walmart one day, and she's like, oh, I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but can you come at this time? I'm like, no, I'm not leaving, you know, to go meet up. Well, then she ended up coming to my house. I can't remember how long ago that was. Well, both of these people both messaged me asking me to save all, the one girl wants all of the Garnier Fructis. The other girl wants all of the L'Oreal and all the Garnier Fructis. I even wrote in the thing, no holds. No holds. And I understand that these 2 people are, you know, repeat people. But I'm sorry, you guys. I hate being the nice guy. I'm always the nice person. You know, I always think of other people first. And, you know, I'm always, you know, trying to be nice. I hate saying no. But the fact that these people I both had, I mean, they're good people, but they both I've had problems with in the past. I don't want to hold that stuff for them, because one girl says she's going to come right away in the morning. Okay, then come right away in the morning. Not many people is going to take all that stuff. And I'm sorry, you don't need 100 bottles of shampoo and conditioner, okay? So I don't even know how to respond to this. Facebook keeps popping up telling me, you got to respond to these people. You got to respond. And I'm like, well, I'm waiting to talk to Graham. But the other person, she says she'll be coming over at 11:45, which I will still have my garage sale at that time. I was just thinking I won't be home. But I still will have that garage sale for me. But I don't want to hold that stuff. I really don't want to hold that stuff. Just for certain reasons. So, I don't know. I'm going to respond to him saying I can't hold it. I can't hold it. It'd be awesome if they come at the same time, because then they can fight. But I don't know, you guys, like, I hate doing this, but I made specifically no holds. I don't care who you are. I know this one girl I've dealt with at least 6 times before. The other girl I've dealt with once. But it's just like, I'm sorry, you guys, I just can't be the nice guy. I'm a person who, if you come and get it, that's fine. But I'm a person where I like to get everybody, you know, I don't hold limits. And sometimes I should, but I don't, because if I do hold limits, then it might not be available, or it'd still be sitting there. I'm like, well, I wanted to get rid of it. So I think I'm gonna go take a shower and talk to Graham and say, hey, I'm not holding it just because of certain reasons. But it's a gorgeous day outside today. Yeah, I think after I was about to close last night, I had another family that came. They came earlier that day. And before they came earlier yesterday, and they were there for about a good, you know, 30-45 minutes. And then right as I was bringing everything inside, like we had some of our like lawnmower and strollers sitting on the side of the house, I started bringing all that stuff inside. And then this family came back again, and they're like, oh, you still open? I said, yeah, I just don't mind, you know, I'm putting stuff inside, because I was just about to shut the garage door because it was a little after 7 o'clock. And then they got like $13 worth of stuff, like just makeup things here and there, and I have a feeling I will see them again. I actually had 3 people show up twice yesterday. 3 people, and no, most likely out of those 3 people, I bet you 2 will come back. 2 will come back. So yes, and so yesterday as I was, you know, sitting in my garage sale, I was actually looking at vinyl. So I bought a bunch of whole holographic vinyl. I bought that, and then I was also figuring out my jewels. Like right now I'm making another jeweled cups, you guys. This one's just like, looks like diamonds, but I'm putting my name on it, but I can't finish this until I get more jewels. But if you guys can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it, let me show you outside. Give me a second, I gotta open the door and I will show you guys how it sparkles. Give me 1 second, I gotta flip the camera. Okay, you guys, so if you guys can kind of see it, it like sparkles. It's gonna be awesome. And so I'm trying to figure out what color I'm gonna do my name, but right now I'm just gonna, Benjamin, right now I'm just gonna put my jewels around my name and then fill it in once I get my other jewels. But we got that cup going on, and then I'll show you the other cup so you guys can kind of see. I still have to clean this, but I mean, this is what this cup looks like in the sun. Hold on, honey. And once I clean this, this will sparkle even more, you guys. So, loving it, loving it, loving it. You guys, so it is 1 o'clock now, and I'm finally just closing down the garage sale. We ended at noon, but then a bunch of people just showed up at the same time. One of the girls who said to ask me to hold it, she did show up like right at like 12:30, and she bought like some stuff, and then I told her what to do to get that stuff. But the other girl who wanted a whole box never showed up, never responded to my messages. So that is the reason why I just don't hold things, because of that. But with me not holding it, I did sell everything, so that was awesome. So right now we are picking up. Usually Graham and I slack really badly at picking up, but we're packing up things. We have a friend helping us. Keeping us motivated. Yeah, but we have all of our totes that are all labeled, you guys, ready to go. So we're gonna go put those back on the shelves. These are all empty boxes, which we're gonna keep because I put stuff for donating. Graham is putting stuff away right away, you guys. Like, this is the most fastest we have ever put stuff away out of all 5 garage sales. You can just leave that separate for now. Oh, you can put that one tote is, yeah, just fine. Just leave it right there. Here. So that is what's going on. I haven't even added how much I got together, but I think this might have been my most successful garage sale, possibly. The hours worked out perfectly. Saturday, it's really loud in here. Saturday are usually my slowest days, but it was busy right away and then it slowed down, but I constantly had somebody here all the time. Yesterday I kind of sat for like a half an hour here or there with nothing to do, but this time I was actually really successful. My free box, you guys, I had that filled to the brim, and that is all that is left. 2 things of beans and 2 things of OB tampons. That is all that's left, and this thing was filled. I had tons of food in it, so it was awesome. People are like, are you sure it's free? And I said, yeah, it's free, because, you know, I just wanted to help out people. A lot of people thanked me for having this kind of a sale. Like I said, I'm not in it to make a huge profit. I'm just in it to make my money back that I spend in coupons. But pretty awesome, you guys. So now I'm starting to make a donate box. We're going to put that away, and then I'm going to pack some of these toys up because I'll sell them at the next garage sale. But other than that, you know, we're gonna go hang out at a friend's house later today, but right now we're picking this up and we're gonna put it away right away. So get you guys back in a bit. So yeah, so you guys, we cleaned our garage. Like, I haven't seen this garage this clean in a very long time. Our friend like just helped us motivate me, which is awesome. And I told her, I said, why don't you help me motivate me sometime in the basement? She's like, yeah. I says, you don't even have to help me, just her being there, because she says she has like OCD and she loves to organize. And I says, yeah, come help me. So she's, Ben, stop. So she's gonna come over sometime and we're gonna clean the basement while Charlotte's taking a nap, and then we'll have the kids play out in the pool because it's right there, we can see them. But yeah, funny thing is, Grant, we all cleaned up, you know, we all cleaned up the garage. We had one person who parked, right in front of our house, just sat there and sat there and sat there. And then they got out of their car and then they turned around. I'm like, I don't understand. We took the signs down they've been down for like an hour. The posts I deleted off of Facebook and they still showed up. I'm like, I don't understand. Then there was another person who drove by and I'm like, I don't know. But this was the best. This was the best Saturday I've ever had for a garage sale. Like I said, I haven't even added anything up, but we did get rid of about 75% of my stockpile. We packed the rest of it up. It's all organized. It's all in these totes, all organized. All these boxes are empty, which we're gonna keep the boxes because I've been using them to put stuff in, stuff to donate and stuff. So we're gonna keep those boxes. But yeah, you guys, like, we had a really good, successful day. This is the busiest Saturday I ever had, but the weather is just perfect. But yeah, we're gonna go get a snack and then we're gonna go hang out at a friend's house.
No, Brandon's house.
Yes, they don't know who Brandon is.
Yes, they know.
Oh, you guys know who Brandon is, okay? So, we are gonna catch you guys back in a little bit. I gotta change Miss Darlet's diaper. She got bit by a mosquito, so her eyes are all red.
And yeah, because of
Those mean mosquitoes.
I got a mosquito bite on my cheek.
You got a mosquito bite on your cheek? Show 'em.
Yeah, I'm driving in the garage.
You're gonna drive in the garage?
Hey guys,
okay. So it is currently 8:30. Yeah, we did pretty good with the garage sale. Like I said, I'm just in it to help a lot of people out. I had a ton of people that have gone to my sale before. Most of them, like 95% of the people that come to my sale are because I post on Facebook. So if you guys do it, the best thing to do is advertise it. Now, depending on what you guys pay, I've seen a lot of people, you know, sell stuff online and it's just ridiculous. I think somebody was charging $30 for a thing of one of the 5 packs of toilet paper and the 5 packs of Scott's paper towels, a thing of Gain detergent, and I can't remember the 4th item, but they wanted $30 for it. And I'm like, nobody's gonna pay $30 for that when they can just go to the store themselves. So like I said, I sell my laundry, or I sell my stuff super cheap just because I love the thrill of couponing. And mostly I sell it, you know, just to get back, you know, all the time and my coupons that I invested in it and all that stuff. I mean, I do come out with a profit, but, you know, that's just what I do. It was very successful. I had a lot of people, you know, asking me questions and everything, and they just loved it. A lot of people love it. And some people, like, you know, it helps because with everything going on right now, you know, a lot of people can't afford stuff. Like one person's like, yeah, my son is having a really hard time during this whole pandemic with working and everything, so she's like, I'm gonna buy a bunch of stuff and give it to him. And I'm like, yeah, that's the point, you know, there's a lot of people having hard times right now. So that is what's going on. So yeah, we got everything all boxed up, ready to go. I just gotta carry everything down to the basement. I was gonna borrow my neighbor's dolly tomorrow and see if we can bring everything. You're on camera, say hi. Say hi. Yeah. She loves staring at herself. But yeah, I'm just ready to show. I'm ready. Yeah. But I am right now preparing for all my couponing deals right now. It's so funny, like right now it's just mostly all digitals and all that stuff, which I am absolutely loving. But that's what I'm working on today. And then Graham and I are gonna watch a show we were watching on Netflix about Jeffrey Epstein. I think we've watched like 2 episodes so far. It's pretty interesting. I'm juuling another cup. While we were watching that, I was juuling a cup. But yeah, I have been just extremely busy, you guys, like extremely busy. I forgot to, yesterday's vlog, I made the wrong date, the 21st, so 2-1 and then TH, it was supposed to be 12th, and I just totally messed up on that because I'm just so tired. Like, I just haven't had a break to just sit and relax. Because I'm just going. So I'm gonna get Charlotte ready for bed. Ben just passed out. We went to a friend's house today and had a grill out with some hamburgers and hot dogs, and then we got some ice cream cake from Dairy Queen to have everybody have. But yeah, I've had an exhausting week. It's like my mom was here, which is awesome, but we didn't get as much done as I wanted. I didn't get a chance to because I had to set up for the garage sale, but I have a friend who said she's going to come over and give me motivation. So someday, when Charlotte's taking a nap, her daughter and Ben will play in the pool, which is right next to the window in the basement, so I can see them. They're gonna go swimming. She's just gonna help me organize. But my basement storage room, it might not look like much, you guys, and I'll show an update in my basement video. But you can tell I got rid of a lot of stuff. And there's still a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of, but some of the stuff I need to get rid of is just not worth it. Just not worth it for selling. It's just, some of it's garbage, some of it I'd rather just give to Goodwill. And we dropped off 3 boxes today off at Goodwill, so I was feeling good about that. But I'm gonna get Miss Darlette ready for bed. I'm tired. I don't even know if I'm gonna watch a show with Graham. I gotta finish preparing for couponing tonight, and then I am gonna wake up early in the morning and try to get the videos posted right away. So we will see how that goes. Yeah, it was just a busy week, you guys. And it's only Saturday. It's only Saturday. It feels like Sunday, but it's Saturday. But I'm hoping to have an awesome day tomorrow. And that's it. So I will see you guys all later this week. I'm hoping to have a great week. Get some stuff done. Now, since I have some space in the basement, I can get some stuff done. Depends on the weather. I'm gonna start cleaning Charlotte's room. I'm gonna get all the clothes ready. Charlotte's room's not that bad, but I gotta put some stuff away. But that's what's going on. I can't stop yawning. So I'm gonna get Miss Darlette ready for a nap. Be careful. You be careful. You're gonna go boom. You're gonna go boom. Okay, I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow morning. See you guys all later. Have a nice night, and bye-bye.